Truly.
Truly. T-R-U-L-Y. Truly.
Beetle. This is a homonym. Any of various insects. Beetle.
Beetle. B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle.
Okay, this word is a homonym. Crawl. Move, progress, or advance slowly. Crawl.
Crawl. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl.
This is a homonym. Tennis. A typically outdoor game that is played with rackets and a light ball by two players on a level court divided by a low net. Tennis.
Tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis.
Oath.
Oath. O-A-T-H. Oath.
Meteor.
Meteor. M-E-T-E-O-R. Meteor.
Proverb.
Can you say that again?
Proverb.
Proverb. P-R-O-V-E-R-B. Proverb.
Okay, this one's a homonym. Gale. A strong current of air. Gale. Despite the fierce gale and high seas, the Coast Guard set out to rescue the shipwrecked survivors.
Gale. G-A-L-E.
Gale. Stout.
Stout. S-T-O-U-T. Stout.
Robbery.
Robbery. R-O-B-B-E-R-Y. Robbery.
Mustang.
Mustang. M-U-S-T-A-N-G. Mustang.
This one's a homonym. Idle. Given to rest or ease. Idle. Not one to be idle, then assist others whenever he completes his assigned task.
Idle. I-D-L-E.
Sorry, I-D-L-E. Crabby.
Crabby. C-R-A-B-B-Y. Crabby.
Yield.
Yield. Y-E-I-L-D. Yield.
No, sorry, Y-I-E-L-D. Okay, so you'll go to the district and observe, okay, because you're the third. Okay, you two can just stand up here from the microphone, and we'll keep going. Okay, the rules change somewhat. If someone misses a word, just stay in front of the microphone, and the next person will get the next word on the list. If they spell that correctly, they get the next word. If they spell that word correctly, 2 words, then they're declared the winner. Okay? All right. Okay, it's your turn. Balance.
Balance. B-A-L-A-N-C-E. Balance.
Good. Spidery.
Spidery. S-P-I-D-E-R-Y. Spidery.
Umpire.
Can you say that again?
Umpire.
U-M-P-I-R-E. Umpire.
Company.
Company. C-O-M-P-A-N-Y. Company.
All right, this was a homonym. Lure. Attract, entice, or invite. Lure.
LOUWER. Lure.
No. But that's okay. You can stay up there. Okay, you get the next word on the list, which is skillet.
Skillet. SKILLET.
Right. Okay. Now you have to spell the next word. All right, this is a homonym. The word is wane. It means to diminish in phase or intensity, use of the moon and other satellites and inferior planets. Wane.
Wayne. WAINE. Wayne.
No, that's not right. All right, so Maddie, we'll go back to you. You get the next word on the list. Prowler.
Prowler. Can you give me the definition, please?
One that roams over in a predatory manner.
PROWLER. Prowler.
Okay. Vision.
Vision. VISION. Vision.
Okay. Angels.
Angels. ANGELS. Angels.
Good. Forelegs.
Forelegs. FOURLEGS. Forelegs.
Okay, that's incorrect. You get the next word. Bundle.
Bundle. BUNDLE. Bundle.
Okay, now you get the next word, Maddie, on the list. Cupid.
Cupid. CUPID. Cupid.
That is correct, Maddie. You're the first place winner. Give her a hand. And Kiara, you and Maddie will go and compete, both of you, in the district spelling bee, the Area 3 spelling bee. So we will congratulate you two. All right?
We don't have information together for y'all, so we have to play first.
Yeah, you have to have permission to, for transportation to ride down to the spelling bee. Is that at Jefferson?
Is that Jefferson?
Jefferson Elementary, okay? Very good. If you want your name tag, you may keep those, and thank you for participating. You give everybody a round of applause. Good job. Oh, you want to get a picture? Or did you already get a picture?
I did, but y'all go ahead and stay, we need to stay.
Maddie. Maddie. Got it all. It's awesome. Yeah, we're completed one. I code. I can't believe she got that. Me either.
Stay. Yeah, there you go. Lay down.